So here I am at ZOOM Automotive in Scarborough slash Rexdale, basically 1532 Midland Avenue. It's a Saab place, and they also do other cars too. Here comes one of the mechanics. And today's my subframe bushing day. Yeah, I thought it was just the two front rearward subframe bushings that were gone, but apparently after they started dropping the subframe, it's the middle ones are worn out too. So it's going to add a little bit more expense to this whole thing, but at least at the end of the day, it'll be all done and all nice and new again. Well, got to do it sometime.